Hello everyone, my name is K. Chinchi Reddy, working as Assistant Professor in Tegal Krishna Reddy Engineering College. Okay, in this video, I will explain hybrid hybrid electric drive train topologies. Okay, these electrical and hybrid vehicles. This is JNTU syllabus, JNTU-H. This is R18 regulations, BTEC. This subject in fourth year first semester. BTEC fourth year first semester. This is JNTU-H syllabus. JNTU Hyderabad. This is professional elective 3. Now, in this class, I will explain this second chapter related to introduction to hybrid electric vehicles. In this second chapter, hybrid electric drive trains. Now, in this video, I will explain introduction to various hybrid drive train topologies and power flow control in hybrid drive train topologies. Okay, now I will start presentation. Topic is hybrid electric drive train. Okay, hybrid means two or more different sources. That is called hybrid. Okay, any source. Example, battery, fuel cell. Otherwise, conventional fuel tank and conventional engine and battery or fuel cell or ultra capacitors or flywheel. Any one electrical and conventional. Like this, two or more different sources is called hybrid. Next, I will explain what is conventional vehicles, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, conventional vehicles with uh, ICE. ICE means internal combustion engines. Conventional vehicles with internal combustion engines provide good performance and long operating range by utilizing the high energy density. The advantages, these are the conventional vehicles operating at good performance and it will operate long range operation. However, some disadvantages also have conventional vehicles. The disadvantages are uh, poor fuel economy and environmental pollution. Okay, these conventional vehicles are it generating high pollution. Okay, at the same time, fuel economy also poor. Coming to the battery vehicles, battery means electrical vehicles. Battery powered electric vehicles. Battery powered electric vehicles, on the other hand, possible some advantage over the conventional vehicles. Okay, conventional IC, internal combustion vehicles, such as high energy efficiency and zero environmental pollution. These electrical vehicles will not generate any any pollution, and these vehicles high energy density. These two are main advantages compared to conventional vehicles. Now I will go to next slide. Okay. This is hybrid drivetrain topology circuit diagram. Okay, hybrid drivetrain topology. In this hybrid drive topology, the circuit have two power sources. This is first one, this power train one. This line, this dotted line is power line one, unidirectional, showing here. Okay, this dotted line one. Here showing this thick line is power flow, while propelling means when vehicle moving. This second dotted line is power flow while charging condition. Okay, these two are important. Power flow while vehicle moving, power flow while propelling means this load side flowing direction. Next, power flow while charging powertrain. Okay, in the circuit have hybrid drivetrain. Two sources. One is energy source one. Second one energy source two. Here, this is converter, energy converter one and energy converter two. Okay, two. This is powertrain one. This one is powertrain two. This circuit will operate different. The circuit will operate different power flow routes. Okay, total have 9 routes. I will explain one by one. In this first mode, energy source one and energy source two, it supplies power to the load. This is condition 1. Next, condition 2, energy source 2 and energy converter 2, it supplies power to load. Okay, that time source 1 off when supplying power, energy source 2, these two. Next, condition 3, energy source 1 and energy source 2, two sources, it deliver power to load. That is condition 3. Okay, condition 1, energy source 1 only supplies power to load. Condition 2, energy source 2 only supplies power to load. Condition 3, energy source 1 and energy source 2, two sources, it delivers power through load. These 3. Next, condition 4, energy source 1, it delivers power through load, power to load. At the same time, energy source 2, this example here, battery. Okay, this battery will charging. Same, okay. Source 1 delivered to the load. At the same time, here source 2, energy source 2 also charging battery. Okay, that is fourth condition. Next, fifth condition, vehicle will turn off. Okay, vehicle will turn off. Energy source 1, it charges the energy source 2. Okay, energy source 1, it charges energy source 2. This is fifth condition. Next, one more condition, energy source 1, it supplies load. At the same time, this load motor, it will act as a generator. That time, energy source 2 charges. Okay, that is one more condition. Next, in regenerative braking, it in regenerative braking, supply 1, energy source 1 will turn off. Energy source 2, battery will charge. Okay, in this condition, motor will act as a generator. In this condition, regenerative braking, it charges the battery, power supply 2. Okay, this direction is charging mode. This dotted line charging mode. Okay, this thick line power flow while propelling. Now I will explain total hybrid drivetrain possible different power flow routes. Okay, total have 9. In first one, powertrain 1 alone delivers power to the load. That means powertrain 1 only delivers power to the load. Next, condition 2, powertrain 1 alone power to the load. Next, third condition, both third condition means possible route, third possible route for both powertrain 1 and powertrain 2, power delivers to the same time. Okay, these 3, powertrain 1 delivers to the load, powertrain 2 delivers to the load. Next, powertrain 1 and powertrain 2, both powers delivers to load, these 3. Next, in fourth condition, powertrain 1 obtains, powertrain 2 obtains power from load. Okay, this is condition is a regenerative braking. In this regenerative braking, motor, it will act as a generator. Generator, it will charges the battery. This is fourth condition. Fourth power flow. Okay. Next, fifth one, powertrain 2 obtains power from powertrain 1. Okay, this is fifth one, powertrain 2 battery, it will takes power from powertrain 1. Powertrain 1 means source 1. Next, the sixth condition, powertrain 2 obtains power from powertrain 1, and at the same time, powertrain 1, it sends through the, at the same time, load, powertrain 1, it delivers power to the load. Okay, this is sixth one. Powertrain 1, it delivers supply load. At the same time, powertrain 2, battery will charging. At the same time, vehicle also moving. This is sixth condition. Next, powertrain, the seventh condition, powertrain 1 delivers power to the load and to powertrain 2 at the same time. Okay, powertrain 1 and delivers to the load. Next, powertrain 2 at the same time. Okay, this 6 and 7 are both are similar. Powertrain 2 obtains power from powertrain 1 and load at the same time. Okay. Next, eighth condition, powertrain 1 delivers to the powertrain 2 powertrain 1 delivers power to powertrain 2. Next, and powertrain 2 delivers power to the load. Okay. In this eighth condition, energy source 1 connect only supplies powertrain 2. Example, internal combustion engine generator, it will charges the battery, and the charging battery, it delivers power to the load. This is eighth condition. Next, ninth condition, powertrain 1 delivers to the load. Okay, powertrain 1, and the delivers power to the powertrain, and power load delivers to the powertrain 2. Okay, this in the condition powertrain 1, it delivers load. Okay, next, load delivers power to powertrain 2. Load delivers means in this condition battery is charging. Okay, here total 9 possibilities. Okay, 9 power flow possibilities in this block diagram. Okay, next I will go to next slide. These 4 arc structure diagrams of hybrid electric drive trains. Okay, now I will explain this 4. This is first one A. This is a series hybrid vehicle. The second one is parallel hybrid vehicle. This third one, series and parallel hybrid vehicle. This fourth one is complex hybrid vehicle. Okay. Once you see here, this is electric link. Electric link is only one line. This is thick line. In the second link is hydraulic link. This one. Okay. This is not thick. These 2 links is the mechanical link. Here, these 2 lines are the mechanical links. Once reading this, observe clearly on seeing these images: electric link, hydraulic link, and mechanical link. Now I will explain one by one this circuit diagram. In series hybrid vehicle, the fuel tank connected to the internal combustion engine, IC engine, fuel tank connected to IC engine through hydraulic link, and this IC engine connected to generator, okay, through mechanical link. This IC engine and the generator, this is totally related to internal combustion engine construction. Next, here battery, it is battery connected to the electrical link power converter. Next, power converter output is power converter have 2 inputs. One is the battery, second one is generator. These 2 are electrical inputs. These 2 inputs. Next, the power converter output connected to the electric motor. If this motor is DC motor, this power converter will generate a DC power. Next, this power converter have AC motor. The power converter converts AC power. Okay, this is power electronic circuits, rectifier, AC, DC to DC choppers or inverters used for generating AC power and DC power. This is series hybrid vehicle. Series hybrid vehicle, 2 powers added here. These 2 powers connected to the transmission. Okay, transmission. This is series hybrid vehicle. Next, parallel hybrid vehicle, 2 sources connected separately. Okay, in this condition, this fuel tank and IC engine connected to the transmission. Okay, this circuit, this is mode 1 operation. Next, when required less power, fuel tank and IC engine connected to the transmission, that condition, this source 2 will turn off. Okay, otherwise battery and power converter, electrical motor connected to the transmission. Okay, this condition, power, fuel tank and IC engine will turn off. When required high power transmission, both supply 1 and supply 2. Supply 1 and supply 2 means energy source 1 and energy source 2. Both will turn on. This parallel operation, parallel vehicle, 2 sources connected separately. This fuel tank, IC engine. Fuel tank, IC engine here mechanical hydraulic link. Next, IC engine and transmission connected mechanical link. Next, here the battery and power converter connected to electrical link. Next, power converter output connected to the electrical motor input. This is electric link. Next, electrical motor output connected to the mechanical link. Okay, this is total parallel hybrid vehicle. Next, in the series hybrid vehicle, series and parallel hybrid vehicle, the circuit diagram. In the series and parallel hybrid vehicle, have total the circuit will operate total series condition and parallel condition. Series condition means a fuel tank 1 and IC engine, generator, power converter connected to the electrical motor. This condition one. Second condition, battery and power converter output connected to the electrical motor through transmission. This second. In third condition, both fuel tank and battery, two sources connected to the load. Okay. This series and parallel hybrid vehicle operate both series hybrid vehicle operation and parallel hybrid vehicle operation. Next, this fourth one is a complex hybrid vehicle. In this complex hybrid vehicle, there are multiple modes: fuel tank, IC engine. Next, IC engine connected to electrical. This is electrical generator. This electrical generator output connected to the power converter. Here, this electrical generator connected to the electrical motor connected to the battery. Okay, in battery charges here. Next, battery to power converter. This in industries mainly present vehicles only series hybrid vehicle and parallel hybrid vehicle preferred. This complex and series and parallel hybrid vehicle uh, presently not using, only series and parallel. These two are presently using. Okay. Next, this is a configuration of series hybrid vehicles. Series hybrid vehicle. I explained it in previous slide. This total hybrid drivetrain possible different power routes here. Okay, I will explain one by one. This is the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, one is fuel tank. This is series hybrid drivetrain circuit diagram. The circuit is fuel tank. Fuel tank connected to the engine. Engine output connected to the generator. Generator output in this, it generates three-phase AC supply. AC supply connected to the rectifier. Rectifier, it converts AC to DC. This DC supply connected to the motor, motor controller and motor. At the same time, rectifier output connected to the DC to DC converter. In DC to DC converter, it will. This is the bidirectional DC to DC converter. Okay, charging mode and discharging mode. Next, motor controller connected to the traction motor. This traction motor output connected to the electric vehicle wheels. Okay, this is total. This 9 possibilities will operate this vehicle. Next, these are the total series hybrid drivetrain possibilities. Have some following operation. Oh, total here 7 operations. Now, first I will explain. Pure electric mode. In pure electric mode, the engine is turned off. The vehicle is propelled only by the batteries. Okay. In this pure electric mode, the engine turn off and the vehicle is propelled only by the batteries. Okay. In first pure electric mode, the engine will turn off. The batteries only, it delivers power to the load. This is pure electric mode. Next, pure engine mode. In this pure engine mode, only this fuel tank, electric engine and generator, rectifier and motor and traction motor which runs this electric vehicle. That mode battery will turn off. This is pure engine mode. Next, hybrid mode. In this hybrid mode, traction power is drawn from both engine and batteries. In this third condition, the vehicle receiving power from both batteries and engine. Okay, in this condition, two sources will supply power to the load. This is third operating mode. Next, fourth one, engine, traction and battery charging mode. Okay, in this condition, in this fourth condition, the engine, it supplies power to the load. At the same time, power supplies to the batteries. In this condition, batteries also charging. At the same time, vehicle also moving. This is fourth condition. Next, fifth condition, regenerative braking mode. In regenerative braking mode, the supply electrical engine will turn off. In this condition, motor, it will act as a generator. This motor controller, it converts generating supply. This generating supply in this bidirectional DC to DC converter, it charges the battery. Okay, this one is the fifth one. Okay, fifth one is regenerative braking. The engine generator is turn off. The traction motor is operated as a generator. The power generated is used to charge the battery. Next, battery charging mode only. The traction motor receives no power and the engine generator charges the battery. This condition, the traction motor will not receive any power. This engine, that condition only engine which charges the battery. This is sixth operating mode. Next, hybrid battery charging mode. Okay, hybrid battery charging mode means in this mode, engine it generates power through battery. At the same time, motor will act as a generator. This condition, both engine and this generator charges the battery. This is hybrid charging. Okay, these are the different possible operating modes. Next, this is parallel hybrid vehicle. In this parallel hybrid vehicle, same is similar like a series hybrid vehicle. Pure engine mode only it supplies engine one load battery. Pure battery mode it delivers power only battery. Next, uh, hybrid mode both engine and motor will deliver power through the load. In parallel hybrid vehicle have different configurations is there. One is speed coupling hybrid vehicle, torque coupling hybrid vehicle, and speed and torque coupling hybrid vehicle. Okay, there are different possible configurations. Okay, total this seven possibilities also have in this parallel hybrid vehicle. Okay, source one delivers to the load and source two delivers to the load and source one and source two delivers to the load. Next, regenerative braking operations. Okay, all modes of operations similar to the series hybrid. Okay, thank you for watching this video.